Hello everyone, welcome back in our ENV class. Now today we are continue with this chapter 21, Let's Save Water. So now we are discuss about how do we get fresh water and water shortage. Okay, so let's see. Our question is, how do we get fresh water? So the rain is a major source of fresh water, and when rain falls on the ground, it goes into the ground and collects between rocks under the ground. So the water that collects underground is called groundwater. Okay. Now besides rainwater also collects in river, lakes and ponds. So river, lakes and ponds are the different sources of fresh water. Now in small towns and villages, people dig wells to collect water. So they also use hand pumps to raise groundwater to the surface. Here we can see that this water is come from ground. Okay. In cities, water from these sources is stored in huge tanks and water is then supplied through pipes to our homes. Now, from the moment we wake up in the morning, we use water for many activities. Here we can see that. We also know that fresh water is limited, right? So, but our need for water is constantly increased, and we need water for domestic use, for industries and factories also. Farmers use water to grow crops, right? Now this process is called irrigation process. Now water is also means of transport as the ships and boats move on it. Now we can see water shortage. So when people have less water, then what they need for their daily activities? So we say there is a water shortage. River water and groundwater are the two main sources of fresh water for most of us. India has many water bodies such as rivers and ponds. So these receive water only during the rainy season. So rivers are fed by small streams that come down hills and mountains and when it rains. So when there is no rain, these rivers dry up. When there is less rain, very little water goes under the ground. Okay, and the groundwater level also drops, means decrease. So when the sources of water dry up or have a little water, a shortage of water takes place. Okay, and polluting water resources with domestic and industrial waste also adds to the problem. Did you know, children? Water from rivers can be used to produce electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. Okay. Thank you, children. I will send PDF file of chapter 21. Let's save water. You have to write in your science notebook.